Hello and welcome to the first section of this course. Now, this is a C++ fundamentals course, so you're going to start from the ground up and learn how to program in C++. Now, what you're looking at here is a very basic C++ program that prints text to a small terminal here in Visual Studio Code. Now, this is some of the most basic stuff you can do as a C++ programmer. So we're going to start off really small, taking baby steps, and you're going to do something that doesn't look very impressive just yet, but don't worry because we need to start somewhere, right? And this is going to get us running with our first C++ program so that we can move on to more exciting things. Now, later on in the course, we're going to be using a library called Raylib, which is basically a bunch of C++ code and functions that we can use to create some basic video games. Now, you can take a look at Raylib's examples page, which is at raylib.com/examples.html, and take a look at a very small sample of the things that you can do with Raylib. You can scroll down here and take a look at some of these and click on them and see just exactly what these small programs do, and you can even scroll down on these examples and see the code that creates this project. So as you can see, Raylib is a nice small little library of C++ code that allows you to do some really exciting and cool things, and so we're going to be doing that in our course in the future videos to come. So have a look at these Raylib examples, scroll through them and click on them and see what they do, and get excited, get ready, because we're going to learn some C++ basics, and before long you're going to be making your own video games. So I can't wait to see you in the course.